Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Right, so today we're at the main entrance to Playa del Inglés, the beach. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk the shoreline. Not the promenade, the actual beach, the shoreline. Atlantic Ocean on one side and mad sand dunes on the other side. And guess what? I didn't realise this, but there's a nudist beach right in the middle of that. Alright guys, without wasting any more time, let's hit the beach. Let's explore together. Straight away. You can see its beauty. That's looking down towards San Agustin and Bahia Feliz, down that area. And we're going to go that way, towards the sand dunes. But we'll get a little closer to the water so we can hear those waves and experience this walk together. I haven't walked this beach at this time of the year before, so yeah, it'll be interesting to see. Well, it's not even midday. It's like 11:30 in the morning, and this beach is already packed. Look at this. 11:30. It's packed, isn't it? I'm just going to take my flippers off and go for a walk. It's great to see, isn't it? Everybody playing in the water, families playing football and that. Yeah, it's so cool. And the water is surprisingly cold, but I don't mind. It's 37 degrees here before midday. Guys, have you been here before? This is probably one of the more famous beaches here in Gran Canaria. There is several beaches in Gran Canaria, but this probably would be the more known beach, if you want to call it that. It runs all the way from San Agustin all the way to Melaneres, really. So it's a fair stretch. I don't know the actual length, but that is a fair stretch of beach. And the beautiful Atlantic Ocean here, look at on the left hand side, it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I need to feel that water again. Oh, that's so class. It's beautiful. That's good to know. There is lifeguards ready and available, which hopefully they are not required. Guys, do you enjoy the sound of the waves? I'd listen to that all day. And I've said it in other videos. I love the sound of the waves. We were staying in a hotel there not so long ago. I think it was in Bali. Yeah, and we were close to the beach. And yeah, we used to leave we were up on the second or third floor. We used to leave the window in ajar. You could hear the ocean all night long. It was beautiful. So on that note, guys, if you are into the beach walking, I do have several videos up there. Have walked around Kuta Beach in Bali, Chawang Beach in Koh Samui, Lamoy Beach. Beautiful beaches. So different to each other, but beautiful in their own right. I've never seen that before. See that little little shack over there? Seems to be where you can, what you want to call it, rehydrate yourself. That's new, is it? There is a lot more rocks on the beach than what I remember. I don't know where these little rocks are all washing in from. But yeah, I don't remember as many because I am walking in my feet, obviously because I like the water. But yeah, little stones are getting caught in my feet. Yeah, I definitely don't remember there being so many rocks. They're like little pebble stones, see them? Just the perfect size to get caught in your feet. Right guys, I think I just stumbled upon the Nudist beach. So I just want to give respect people's privacy really. I didn't think it was that close to the main entrance, but there you go, it is. So if you're looking for the Nudist beach, it's about 10 minutes up towards the sand dunes and then you'll find it. But yeah, I don't want to walk around there in the camera. I hope you can understand that. But yeah guys, look, if you're into this content, if you like Gran Canaria, if you're a Gran Canaria fan, or even a fan of me or a fan of these walks, jump on board guys and hit that subscribe button. It's great to get this channel grown and let's grow together. Alright guys, until next time, adios, slán leat.